20. Right? So today we've been in school for 21 days. All right, let's do our Days of the Week song once. Ready? Days of the week.
Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
There's Sunday and there's Monday.
There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday. Okay, hold on. Let's try that again. Let's go a little bit slower and do it with me, okay? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Very good.
So much better. I don't know what that other noise was, but what's my ear?
Much better that time. All right, boys and girls, we're gonna work on some other kind of math. So now I want you to turn your bodies towards the big screen. Eyes on the big screen, and I'm gonna do some interactions for you.
No.
Okay, wait for instructions, and then we'll go to our seats and go to the bathroom. Okay? All right. All right, first, before, I want you to look at me real quick before I turn on the big screen. Can someone raise their hand and tell me what it means to grab a handful of something? If I'm going to grab a handful, what does that mean? Jameson, what does it mean for me to grab a handful? Like pick something out of a bag? Is that what you said? Okay, so exactly. You can pick something out of a bag and grab a handful of that. Reese, is there another way you can describe it?
When you pick up the handful, it means like you pick up like a whole hand of something.
Exactly, and there's more than one, right? There's usually, right, so there's more than one. When you pick up a handful, there's more than one in your bag, or in your hand. Yes, Jack, what do you need to say?
Like a handful of Lego.
Right, okay, so there's lots of different kinds of handfuls of things that we can do. Okay, so I'm going to show you.
There's nothing on the screen.
I know, I'm not turning it on yet. You're looking at me. All right, is this a handful?
Yes.
Yeah, is it? All right, so let's see how many, this is a handful. Let's see how many I grabbed. Ready? We're going to count them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many did I grab? I grabbed 5. Okay, I want a volunteer to come up and grab a handful, and we're going to see how many they grab. Delaney, come on up. Hold on. Boys and girls, it's fine. All right, grab a handful. Okay, now let's set them down. Set them down on the big screen so we can count them out. All right, now let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, they're stuck together. 5, 6. Now, okay, thank you, Delaney. So is 6 more or less than 5?
More.
Okay. Are they? So did I grab more or less than Delaney grabbed? Okay. Very good. All right, so what we're going to do today, boys and girls, is a game called Grab and Count. Okay, so you're going to grab a whole handful. Okay? Grab a whole handful. So I'm going to grab a handful, count them out, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to write in this box, this is my first handful, so I'm going to write in this box here how many I have, right? So I'm going to represent the amount, okay? Which means I'm going to draw the amount that I have, okay? So I have 1, how many did I have?
6.
Well, Delaney had 6. How many did I have? How many are here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in my first grab, I grabbed 5 cubes, right? So I represented 5 cubes by drawing it, And now I'm going to write the number 5. And if you can't write the number 5, that's okay. You can just draw a cube. We're going to try to see if we can write the number of cubes that we have. Okay? All right. So, then you're going to, so now you do that. Then you put your handful back. You're going to grab another handful and do the same thing. Okay? So let's do it again. Let's see how many I have now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I drew 7 in this handful. All right, so how do I show 7? What am I going to do? I'm going to represent them, right? So I'm going to draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what do I need to do now? What was my next step?
Right, 7.
Write the number 7. Very good. Uh-oh, but what did I forget to do? My name. I forgot my name. So I'm going to make sure that when I get my paper, I'm going to write my name at the top. Okay, and then if you finish doing this, you can always turn your paper over. It's blank. You can always turn your paper over and do it again. And so you can draw the number that you have, okay? All right, does everybody understand? All right, so then right now I want you to go to your seats and we're going to pass out the papers. And we're going to put the cube, we're going to put some cubes on the table. I got it. Okay, please let go.
And how many hands do you have? Yep, you're right. Well, this is not One hand. Show us. One hand. One hand.
Okay, put it back. How do you show? How do you show me that you grab it? Good job. Now, are we good now? One hand down. One hand.
Okay, so what are you going to do now?
Good job, guys.
Don't put them away. What do you do? What do you draw them?
One hand. One hand.
Touch each block.
You know what? Hey, Jack, if you want more, that's what you can get a table to grab some cubes from you. How many percent cubes you have?
Nathan. Show you number 5.
How many do you have?
And they
Can you
blocks
like
and
you?
count them.
Okay, Nancy, there's that one. Show me that.
All right, I'll make
pick all these up in one hand?
Down and around. Get back from one side. Where's the grab it.
It's gotta be.
One, two, three, four. That's it. See your eyes. Here, we'll do this. Alright, Nathan, I'm in. Oh, touch each one. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. George, come over here and grab some of these cubes. Caroline. Are there 4? Let's double check. 1. Away. Now I'm going to end it. Let's start like Sally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How fast and daughter? I know. I have to put out my number right now. Count 1 to 1. I'm gonna get you something else to bring. Okay, now grab some of these. Now, so you can get more. Is that one handful? No, so let's grab with one hand. So let me just grab it. You know what, you can take those back. We'll let me just grab it this way. Guys, keep your bodies to yourself.
We'll staple it together.
Right, George. All right. Caroline, tell me what you're doing. So we have 4 and 5, and then, so you, which blocks are these? So you grab this, so you grab 8 with the grab. Right, but I still think it's 6 blocks. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, so then we erase this. Understand? Now, how many are supposed to be here? Is this accurate? No, look. Look up here. Alright, you should leave the number 2.
But you know what? All of what I like about that so you guys can try and show you. All right, good job, Macy.
Alright, Beatrice, you can be done if you want. You did a lot of extra work.